Boopanpankids! Hey, Clay.
Ready? Go! Let's make a cow. Prepare 5 colors of clay: violet, light brown, white, gray, and blue. Let's start with a body. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 1 big ball. Then roll it into a carrot shape with your hands. Awesome job! The body is done. Model some horns. Take a piece of gray clay and roll 2 little balls. Then roll them into cones with your fingers and bend them. Hooray! The horns are done. Let's make some ears. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 2 mid-sized balls. Then roll them into carrot shapes with your fingers and flatten them with your finger. Hooray! The ears are done. It's time to model some eyes. Take a piece of white clay and roll 2 little balls. Make deepenings with a pencil. Congratulations! The eyes are done. Model some pupils. Take a piece of blue clay and roll 2 tiny balls. Super! Come on! The pupils are done. Let's model a muzzle. Take a piece of light brown clay and roll 1 mid-sized ball. Then flatten it with your hands. And make nostrils with a pencil. Then make a mouth with a pencil. Great job! The muzzle is done. Let's model an udder. Take a piece of light brown clay and roll 1 mid-sized ball. Flatten it with your hands. And attach it. Then roll 4 little balls. And roll them into cones with your fingers. Congratulations! The udder is done. Let's make some legs. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 4 mid-sized balls. Then roll them into cones with your hands. And pin them with your finger. Then make cuts with a sculpting tool. Great job! The legs are done. Let's make a tail. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 1 mid-sized ball. Then roll it into a carrot shape with your hands. Bend it with your fingers. And flatten it with your finger. Then make cuts with a sculpting tool. Hooray! The tail is done. Wow! Your cow is a real wonder. You shouldn't stop.
I was dreaming of being in your collection. Which of my best friends do you think wants to be in it too?